Hindi ko inaasahan na darating ang panahong ito. Noon, napapanood ko lamang ito sa teleserye at telenovela na minsan ko ring pinangarap at naisip. Paano nga kaya or ano ba ang pakiramdam ng ikakasal?
I was barely listening. Flowers in the rain, lost and found again.
At ngayon, sa araw na ito, August 26, 2023, ay aktual na nagaganap kasama ang babaeng sagot sa aking mga panalangin.
I will move if you won't move. Masquerading in a crowded room. Never let the light get through. All we do, me and you.
3 years ago, I lost my father and that really breaks me. But I know that God has plans. I lost my papa, but God gave me you.
Papa, sana nandito ka pa. Sana ikaw yung kasama ka. Makakasama ko. Pero siguro talagang may plano. Iba si God.
The sky is turning.
Islamista kita.
Hindi man sa masayang panahon at oras kami nagkakilala, but still nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo at naniniwala ako na ipinadhana ng Lord na ikaw ang maging daan upang maging konektado kami sa isa't isa.
I will move if you won't move. Masquerading in a crowded room. Never let the light get through. All we do, me and you.
Sa loob ng ilang taon na tayo'y magkasama, saksi ang ating mga kaibigan, kamag-anak at mga mahal sa buhay kung paano tayo nagsimula sa ating pagmamahalan. At ngayon ay nandito sila muli upang maging witness sa ating kasal at pag-iisang dibdib.
When you walked into this room, you hardly knew anyone. Sea full of strangers, crashing on the rungs. When the band strikes by the end of the night, strangers no more. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door. Whether you came here to party or you came here to cry, whether to meet somebody, cheat somebody, get low or get high. So come on, all you people with 2 feet on this floor. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door.
Balong, finally! Ito na yung pinakahihintay nating dalawa. Konting taste na lang, makakakain na tayo. Makakakain ka na. Ha ha ha. I can't wait to marry you. See you later. I love you so much. Love, your Buddha.
Shake up your soul, throw your hands in the air, throw your hat in the ring, throw your hips and your heart into everything. Turn the world on a string, turn the winds on a dime, turn the wind to the west and the water to wine. Get lost in the crowd, get down on the floor, let's dance with everybody who came through that door. I wanna dance with everybody who came through that door.
We may not start like the others' love story. We always have disagreements and arguments at work. Some even call us aso at pusa. But as I've said, mag-aaway tayo pero hindi maghihiwalay.
Dudang, alam ko na magkaiba tayo ng mga bagay na gusto at minsan merong hindi pagkakaunawaan at pagkakaintindihan. Inaamin ko rin sa sarili ko na simula nang makilala kita ay hindi madali para sa akin na baguhin ang aking sarili. At hanggang ngayon ay may struggles pa rin ako. Pero ganun pa man, ang mahalin ka ay ang mas madali para sa akin.
Today and every day.
I want you to know that I appreciate you and I love you so much. Thank you for loving me unconditionally, for being the most patient person I know, and thank you for always putting up with me when things get hard. Mahal na mahal kita, Balong.
Pagbutihin mo lang. Alam ko kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Okay?
Hindi ko man mahigitan at matapatan ang pagmamahal at pag-aaruga sa iyo ni Papa Ernesto, ay gagawin ko ang lahat upang maprotektahan ka. Magiging tapat ako sa iyo. Mamahalin kita. Magiging mabuting asawa at ama sa mga magiging anak natin habang ako'y nabubuhay.
Today and every day. Marry me. If I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe, say you will. Say you will. Promise me you'll always
I wish you good health, good luck sa marriage ninyo ni Promise. Remember yung sinabi ko na respect, kailangan yun yung unang-una. Everything follows after that. I love you, Jane.